Don't keep too much grudges and worries in your life. You go back home today. Today is a Sunday. Sunday afternoon, it's raining. I don't think you have any other activity outside when it's raining. Sit back and just make a list of grudges that you have, a list of worries that you have since the time you remember, since the time you noticed it, since the time you experienced it, and how much has it helped you. Just check out. How much has it helped you? Improved your state of affairs? Just check out. Do you have a problem in life? If no, then no need to worry. Do you have a problem in your life? Yes. Then 2 questions. Can you solve it? Then 2 answers. Yes or no. If yes, no need to worry. One day it will get solved. And can you solve it? No. Then no need to worry. Basically, you don't need to worry. Basically, you don't need to worry. Because worries have never solved problems. Ideas have solved problems. So why worrying means you are burning yourself. Not worrying is quality living. With this understanding, whether you worry or not, unless you try it out, you will not come out of the problem. Whether you worry or not, unless you try out, you will not come out of the problem. So trying to come out of the problem does not carry the force or does not carry the help force of worry. Why do you need it? And grudge. He's like that, he is this, she is that. Okay, if you don't get along well, maintain a distance. But why to speak foul about them? Everybody are fine, everybody are good. Shakespeare said, the whole world is a stage and we are all actors. We have all our entries and exits. जब तक मंच पे हैं, खेल कर लो. Whether you like the character or not. Whether you like the co-star or not. Whether you enjoy the chemistry with your co-star or not. By co-star I mean many things. Take care of it. Whether you enjoy the chemistry with your co-star or not. जब मंच पे हैं तो खेल कर लो. और मंच का समय पूरा हुआ तो 78 year game में exit में आ जाओ. Simple. Shakespeare used to describe this. Though you will not remain with grudge. Selflessness is not just giving. Letting your ego give away grudge is also selflessness. Letting your worries out of your heart is also selflessness. Big brains, people are known. Big hearts, people are accepted. It's nice to live in the hearts of people than in the heads of people. If you develop a grudge for somebody, tell yourself, he is he, I am I. Whatever happened in our lives, maybe it was destiny. God wish him good. And if at all, a great spirituality erupts in your mind, and you are ready to help the same person when he needs you, you are divine. Not just beyond grudge, you are divine. And people have done that. When Nelson Mandela came out of prison, 27 years in isolated prison. Unbelievable. I keep you isolated in your known bedroom for even half an hour, you would feel, where is my iPad and where is my mobile? Just try to live a life for half an hour without your mobile and you will feel and you will understand who was Nelson Mandela. सिर्फ बातें नहीं करनी, एक आधा घंटा तो आपका मोबाइल रख दो बाजू में, फिर पता चलेगा कि what is remaining as a prisoner for 27 years without talking to a single human being on an isolated island and yet keeping the stability of mind. हम तो दूसरे दिन पागल हो जाते. Yes or no? When he came out of the prison after 27 years, he was walking and a reporter asked him, "Sir, how are you feeling at this moment?" He said, "Fine." Okay. Immediately the next question. Do you hold any grudges for anybody? Because the white regime in South Africa, they imprisoned you. Especially the President P.W. Botha. And he gave a very fine answer. Remember this if you don't remember anything from this talk today. Nelson Mandela said, for 27 years I was in prison. Now, after physically walking out of the prison, and if I keep a grudge for the person who sent me to prison, I will still be in emotional prison. I want to come out of prison. And this was deep-rooted in his heart, and it was experienced by the world when he asked and invited the person who sent him to 27 years in prison, the president of the white regime in South Africa, P.W. Botha, to come and join me in the government. Let us work together for the development of South Africa. And for 5 years, Nelson Mandela remained. His African National Congress, the political party, won a landslide victory after he came out of the prison. He became the president of South Africa. He asked P.W. Botha to join him in the government. The white people joined him, and they jointly developed South Africa. What a quality of a person. So when his documentary was to be made, the who's who of Bollywood, the who's who of Hollywood, and the who's who of all the woods of the world, they were begging for a few seconds of role, including Big B. Yes. That in this documentary of Nelson Mandela, if I get a few seconds role, even of a chaprasi, I want to do it. What a great personality. What a human being. Beyond human being is divine. The who's who of Hollywood and Bollywood, they literally went down on their knees to the director who was making the documentary of Nelson Mandela officially by the government of South Africa. That was going to be the official documentary. Many people have made it small, big, but this was going to be the official. So it would stand in the libraries for next generations, in the archives. In that documentary, the who's who of the celebrities, international stardom, they pleaded for a few seconds role. Why? Nelson Mandela had not met any of these people in his lifetime. He was 27 years in prison, and before that 20 years just on the streets, carrying out masses, everything. When you live a selfless life, you are a divine personality. We are not as big as Nelson Mandela when it comes to forgiving. We are not even me, nobody of us. But at least with your near and dear ones, can you pardon a small fault of their year? Can you pardon them to a small extent? चलो, नहीं होना था, हमारे बीच ये नहीं होना था, लेकिन अगर हो गया है, forget it. Do you have the daring after listening to Nelson Mandela's incident or his life story or his inner heart to put a small SMS after this talk and session to a person to whom you are not talking since few months or a couple of years? Come today in the evening, I want to meet you. Let's meet today in the evening. Can you gather this courage from within? After listening to Nelson Mandela, who could invite P.W. Botha to join the government, put a small SMS to a person for whom you are little grudge, let's meet in the evening. An SMS put will be springs of joy in the last days of your life. I guarantee you. Take this from me, 100%. Will be springs of joy in your life. वरना आधे टुकड़े के लिए तो कुत्ते भी भौंकते हैं और कुत्ते भी झगड़ते हैं. What animals do on the streets, white collar people do on the 35th floor of corporate office. Nothing different. It is a fact. Otherwise, why so many cases? हमारा मन इतना चीप है, सेल्फलेसनेस कहां से आ सकती है? पार्टी में जाते हैं, गैदरिंग में जाते हैं, आफ्टर द गैदरिंग, आफ्टर द पार्टी, व्हेन यू कम बैक होम, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट योरसेल्फ, बातें क्या होती है घर में? वो उसने मेरे सामने ढंग से नहीं देखा, तो वो ढंग से देखे इसलिए तू गया था वहां. Well, he didn't seem that friendly. Then how much he should pour out to seem friendly? How much he has to pour out to you to seem friendly to you? इतना चीप माइंड है. कोई देखता है सामने तो रिवर्स प्रश्न होता है, मेरे सामने क्यों देखता होगा? 3 बार मेरी नजर गई, तीनों बार मेरे सामने देखता था, क्यों देखता होगा? The answer is very simple. Because he had eyes, he was looking somewhere, you were in between. Because he has eyes, he need to look somewhere. You were standing in between, so a couple of times he looked at you. मतलब इतनी सिंपल चीजें होते हैं, we carry on the load, and so we feel stressed. Going to parties is quantity life. Coming back from party, a bit more human, is quality living, not a bit more animal. I'm always surprised that why for regular party goers, these press people use the word party animal. देखना, for regular party goers, क्या word use होता है? Party animals. मुझे बहुत मैंने सोचा इसके बारे में. Really, yeah? For the last 7-8 years, I was thinking. From the time I read this word for the first time, it got clicked. I said, why party animal? Then I came to know, after my introspection, and this is my own opinion about it. It is personal. That after the party, or gradually during as the party progresses, the animosity increases and the humanity decreases. So he is known as a party animal who parties more. Because he becomes more of animal there. Because coming out after the party, he discusses this. उसने ये पहना था, नहीं पहना था. अरे यार वो कितना गंदा लग रहा था. ये तो कोई कॉम्बिनेशन होता है पार्टी में. तो तेरे पैसे से तूने उसके कपड़े खरीदे थे. मैरिज सेरेमनी जाते हैं, 2 घंटा वहां रुकते, अच्छा भोजन करके आते हैं, फिर भी घर आके क्या बोलते हैं? दोनों जम नहीं रहे थे, तो तुझे जमाने थे. और अगर दोनों में नहीं जमा तो तेरी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? तू तो जो 1000 लोग आए थे उसमें से एक था, अच्छा भोजन करके वापस आए मुफ्त में. Why are you discussing that? Our minds are so cheap, our minds are so mean that we spend a lot of time and energy behind discussing people. Small minds, they discuss people. Average minds, they discuss events. And great minds, they discuss ideas. And that is why they are great. Decide your category. Decide your category. Are you a cheap mind? Are you a mean mind? If you are discussing people, you are cheap and mean. Take care of yourself. Live quality living. Quantity तो बहुत मिल जाएगी, सब जगह पे है. Quality living is a different living. Come out of discussing people. Discuss people where you want to learn something from them. Discuss people when you get inspired from them. But don't discuss the B side and the negative side of people. Every person has an A side and a B side. Do you agree with me? Why you are discussing his B side? Unnecessarily. You are wasting your time, energy, resources, and most important of that, you are losing morality of your life. You are losing the quality living. You will never get fulfilled in life. You will never experience that fulfillment in life. So selflessness is giving your resources. Selflessness is allowing your ego to loosen its clutch on grudges, on worries of life. That is also selflessness.